In the modern urban landscape, space is the ultimate luxury. As apartments get smaller and floor plans become more fluid, the traditional, sprawling dining room is becoming a relic of the past. For those living in compact lofts or cozy studios, the challenge is no longer just about fitting it all in. It is about doing so with style, intention, and a minimalist soul. The kitchen table is more than just a place to eat. It is your morning coffee station, your temporary home office, and the social hub where you host intimate dinners. When space is at a premium, your dining table must be a master of disguise, functional when you need it and visually invisible when you don't. Here is how to master the design of a small space minimalist dining area that feels expansive, regardless of its square footage. 1. The power of the floating surface. When floor space is limited, the smartest thing you can do is stop using it. In minimalist design, visual floor area is the key to making a room feel larger. The more of the floor you can see, the bigger the room feels. Wall-mounted drop-leaf tables, a classic for a reason. A sleek, wall-mounted wooden or matte white slab can be raised for meals and folded flat against the wall when the kitchen is closed. This is the ultimate, now you see it, now you don't trick for studio apartment. The floating counter extension. If you have a small kitchen counter, consider extending the countertop material out by 12 to 18 inches without any supporting legs. This cantilevered look creates a breakfast bar that feels light and airy, providing a dining spot that doesn't clutter the floor with table legs. 2. Transparent materials. The invisible table. Minimalism is often about reducing visual noise. One of the most effective ways to do this in a small kitchen is to use materials that the eye can see right through. Acrylic and glass. A round glass top table or a set of clear, ghost chairs can provide a full dining setup that takes up almost zero visual space. Because light passes through these objects, the kitchen remains bright and open. The minimalist pedestal. If you prefer a solid table, choose a tulip-style pedestal table. By replacing 4 legs with one central base, you reduce the clutter under the table, making it easier to tuck chairs in tightly and creating a cleaner silhouette. 3. The multitasking island. In a small minimalist kitchen, every piece of furniture must earn its keep by performing at least 2 jobs. The kitchen island dining hybrid is the gold standard for compact living. The bi-level island. Design an island where one side is at standard counter height for prep work and the other side is slightly lower, dining height, or slightly higher, bar height. This creates a dedicated dining zone within the footprint of your kitchen's workspace. The pull-out table. Many modern minimalist kitchen systems now feature a hidden table that slides out from under the countertop like a drawer. You pull it out for dinner and push it back into the cabinetry when you're done. It's a feat of engineering that keeps your floor plan 100% clear. 4. Bench seating. The space-saving secret. Chairs are space hogs. They have backs that block sight lines and legs that get tangled. In a small space, a bench is often the superior choice. The tuckaway bench, a backless bench, can be pushed completely under the table when not in use. This clears the walkways in your kitchen, which is vital for safety and flow. The window niche. If you have a corner or a window, consider a built-in banquette seat. By placing the seating against the wall, you eliminate the need for walk space behind chairs, allowing you to pull the table closer to the wall and save valuable inches in the center of the room. 5. Geometry matters. Round versus square. The shape of your table can dictate the energy of the entire kitchen. The round table advantage. Round tables are the champions of small spaces. They have no sharp corners to bump into in a tight galley kitchen, and they naturally facilitate better conversation. A 30-inch round table can comfortably seat 2, and in a pinch, you can squeeze in a third guest, something that is nearly impossible with a tiny square table. The square corner-hugging table. If your kitchen has an unused corner, a square table is your best friend. Pushing one side against the wall creates a cozy, cafe-style nook that uses space that would otherwise go to waste. 6. The minimalist aesthetic. Finishes and colors. In a small kitchen, your color palette is your best tool for creating a clean look. Monochromatic schemes. Match your table and chairs to the color of your walls. If your kitchen is light gray, A light gray table will recede into the wall, making the furniture feel like part of the architecture rather than an obstacle. Natural warmth. Because minimalist kitchens can sometimes feel cool or industrial, use your dining table to introduce warmth. A slim, light oak table adds a touch of nature and hygge, comfort, without the bulk of heavy, dark furniture. 7. Lighting the small dining zone. Just because the table is small doesn't mean it shouldn't be celebrated. Lighting defines the dining zone in an open concept space. The low-hanging pendant, a single, minimal pendant light hung low over a small table creates an intimacy bubble. It tells the brain, this is a separate room, even if it's just a 3-foot circle in the corner of your kitchen. Slim profiles. Avoid heavy chandeliers. Look for wireframe, pendants, or slim LED bars that provide light without blocking the view across the room. 8. Maintenance. The minimalist habit. A small table is only minimalist if it is clean. In a tiny kitchen, one dirty plate or a stack of mail can make the whole room feel cluttered. The clear top policy. Make it a rule that the dining table is cleared and wiped immediately after use. Because the table is likely in your direct line of sight from the living area, keeping it pristine is the easiest way to maintain a model home feel. 0 decor. On a small table, you don't need a centerpiece. Let the material of the table be the decor. If you must have something, a single small bud vase with one flower is enough. Conclusion. Small space, big impact. Designing a minimalist dining area in a small kitchen is a lesson in editing. It's about realizing that you don't need a grand banquet hall to have a meaningful meal. By choosing leggy furniture, transparent materials, and multifunctional pieces, you can create a dining experience that feels intentional and luxurious. When you remove the excess, you make room for what truly matters: the food, the conversation, and the peace.